So traders, I want to cover on today's video my 7,000 target. I'm doing this video to put on my trailer video. I'm putting my neck out in the line here to say where I believe the S&P is going to be by the end of this year, 2025. So I'm doing this video right now on the 26th of the 3rd, 2025. So 26th of March, 2025. S&P 500 right now, as of currently doing this video right now, is 5,712. This is the S&P 500 chart, and I'm just doing this video to put my neck out in the line and just say this is where I believe that we're going to be by the end of this year. This is obviously what this video is about. Now, one of the things that one thing I see here in a nutshell, and you obviously saw this from the thumbnail that you just saw, is that if I bring up this is the short-term picture right now, and everything's looking pretty scary. And I've actually been putting out a few charts about this lately, but I wanted to do one video alone for this so I could put it up on my trailer. And I can eat my crow if I'm wrong at the end of the year, or I can just say, look at me, how good I am, yeehaw, he-man, whatever, if I get it right. The really interesting thing is that one of the things that is here is I just see 7,000 target. Now I've done some projections here. This is the overall longer term charts. I've done some projections based on Fibonacci extensions. I'm looking at some longer term trend lines and so on and so forth. And basically what I see through here is that I'm doing this in the face of where everyone believed this is going to be a really, really big crash. And we may have a bit more downside to come, but I believe by the end of this year, which is 2025, I believe that we're going to be at this 7,000 or above target by the end of this year. This is just a projection or a prediction or something like that. Doesn't mean you go out there and start to trade off this, because you just don't want to be doing that. That's pretty not sensible in these markets, okay? But just to put my neck out in the line and show you this here. Now, just remember, guys, that this is called a prediction, a prediction. You never want to just trade based off that from there. But again, I'm doing this video here right now, 5,712, as you can see with the charts, and my target is up here at that 7,000 level from there, and that's where I believe we're going to get to. Right now, I'm doing this because I'm seeing that there's a lot of people right now, especially with this current downward movement from here. I'm seeing that there's a lot of people that have been in the camp of that this is now a big rounding top and we're about to see this thing come to the downside. And I'm sort of coming out against the bandwagon, and especially my sort of market updates lately have been to the upside as well too. So I'm just coming out here to put my neck on the line, guys, and say that my target by the end of this year is 7,000. And again, that has come from Fibonacci extensions, Fibonacci levels, and also longer term charts, and so on and so forth. So there we go, traders. Hope this helps you out.